Three magi's three gifts, seeking, worshipping, and guidance. Who are these three magi who took a journey and was attentive? It was untiring and courageous on the path to find invisible God was born among us. May we see the star of Jesus along the way, that we may always seek the Lord, encounter Him, and offer Him the treasures of our lives. These wise men followed the star and found Christ, who is light from light. May too we find the Lord when our pilgrimage is ended. What are the three gifts they brought? They brought with them gold, frankincense, and myrrh. They represent kingship and divinity for gold, frankincense, a symbol of his priestly role. Myrrh represents death and embalming. The three applications we can derive from the three magi and three gifts are seeking Christ, worship and adoration, and divine guidance. As we celebrate the great feast of Epiphany of the Lord, may we find friendship with God. May we find friendship with others. That our gifts to the Lord are the gift of reconciliation and gift of peace. Three magi's, three gifts. They sought the Lord. They worshipped and adored Him. And there is a divine guidance. This is a journey. This is a faith. And this is a worship. Pope Benedict said, "It's an outward pilgrimage leads to inward journey." Wise men or the kings or the magi, they all meant one thing: seeking Christ in their life. Jesus is for all. Like the magi, may we also journey and be attentive, untiring, and courageous on the path to find the invisible God who was born among us. The wise men followed the star and found Christ, who is light.